Hey guys, back out in the garage again. The other day I mocked up this chest box here in cardboard, and then I went ahead and did it in sheet metal. And like I said, basically an 1/8 inch scale will work great for this guy. And so that's what I did. I mocked that up, put it out, and I got some elastic in the mail, which I did, and I put it on here for this upper strap on this these football pads. The bottom one I used the elastic that came with it, super heavy duty, and then I got this, and it says it's heavy duty, but it's just like it's nothing. So what I may do is just go ahead and use the regular, like I have right here. I hook this piece back up here so I can have a parachute buckle for a quick release on it. I'll probably just do this 1 1/4 or 1 1/2 inch strap, and then just use an adjuster back here. But now that I've got this kind of mocked up, this is going to go right here, and I've got some indicator lights. I'm going to do it up in black foam and paint it and put some lights and stuff on. Like I say, I'm going for the 95% accuracy on this thing, which it really is. And now that I got that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm starting on the back part of this, these shoulder pads. And what I'm starting to do now is this piece here, and then I'm going to do this. Like I say, I haven't decided if I'm going to do it in metal or foam or combination. Not sure which. I'll just have to play it by ear. But in order to do that, get my location, I actually put on the Vader mask and the helmet. And one of the things is with the Vader helmet on this model, I really had to cut. I cut like this much. How much did I cut? I cut that much off of it because on the model it's right there and back there, so that'll fit in there. Anyway, so I got some tracing paper, and I laid it on here and tried to get this piece here. It fit pretty good. Flipped it, put it on some construction paper, and I don't know if you can see it very well, but see, this is the back part here, and then this, I used a piece of the floor mat trim that's here to use this. It's actually going to come up to about right here, all the way around to the front, and then you can see how it comes around front. So I'm trying to get it mocked up for that piece there, and then I'll say then that be like so. And then the helmet, oh, excuse me, camera, and get the dome. But I'm going to have to trim some of the dome also. That's kind of a rough. I don't really see how it is. But I put this on and I took a picture sideways on the mirror so I could see where this is located. And like saying, I had to trim the mask off. I've got the one upstairs that I'm going to use. This is this helmet's broken. I don't know if you can tell that in there, but anyway, I've got to take about 1 1/4 inch and a half here and taper it off back there. When you look at the model, it is a little different than the helmet. I mean, it's got some different little deals on it. I'm trying to hold it up so you can see, but it's a little different than the actual Vader. It's pretty much the Vader helmet, but like I say, I mocked this piece up here on that. I'm going to do the foam and stuff, and then I'll get that, and then I'll do the box, do some more on that, put that on there, and then I will add the different pieces. But right now I'm going to get some cardboard and mock this up and see what I need to do with this, see if I want to do metal or whatnot. Then after I do that, I'll come around, I'll finish this and the box, and then I'll do the helmet and go from there. It's going along really well, slow but sure. Just like I say, I don't want to sit here and cut every little tiny piece for you and go, he's doing, take 2 hours to cut one little piece, and maybe the other people can edit theirs, to do that, but I'm not going to do that. It's just a little bit along the way. Like I say, these shoulder pads, $20 at Play It Again Sports used. Once I get the, I went and got some indicator lights for this, looking at that model. There's four indicator lights that are right here. I'm going to trim this in foam and plastic dip it, and then I'll put those on there and then trim that out with the rest in foam. And then I've got a Darth Vader lights that I'll actually put back in here. And so when it, when it's on there on the armor right there, it'll light up, like it does on the regular Darth Vader box. But just touch base with you on a little bit of progress right now. Everything's going great. So thanks for listening.